If this works, then you can literally use your iPod as your storage device. What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos. What's up YouTube, this is Vijay and Sura back with another video. This is something which I ordered. Okay, there's a new parcel. So the thing is, if you have an old iPod, so iPod of course has a hard drive inside it. So I thought, I had a 20 GB old iPod, and I thought I'll probably use it as a hard drive just for the sake of it. And here we go. I ordered something which is like the hard drive case for the exact hard drive of the iPod. So this, I'm just going to unbox it and let's see if this works for me. If this works, then you can literally use your iPod as your storage device. Wow. Okay, so I got the mini USB cable, and this is the cage. Okay, I don't know how to open this up, but oh, there you go. It's simple. Wow. Okay, so this is it. There are some screws, yep, for the side. So there are some screws which I got. Sorry, my camera is going out of focus. So there are some screws which I got. Okay, I think this is the packing. Okay, and this is the cage. Here's where all the screws will go. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is where my hard drive should connect. Let's see. Let me get my hard drive. So here's my 20 GB old iPod, which is completely conked off, and you just need to pry this sides to open it up, and this is my hard drive. So let me take this out. The hard drive model number is MK2006 GAL, and this is what I searched before buying this product. So this product supports the MK2006 GAL. Now let's see if I can install this here. I might have to remove the rubber. Okay, let me see. Oops, okay, this side. So the reason, the way I came to know which side to install, if you can see, on this side it is very thin, and on this side it is very thick. So there goes my, oh, I'll have to remove these also. And let's push a bit. Okay, so this is okay. Sounds good to me. So this is the way I have my iPod converted. So here we got the connector, the cable comes along with it, and the moment of truth. Let me put this. There you go, my 18 GB. This was a classic 20 GB iPod. So there you go, I can revive, I can use the iPod as a hard drive right now, thanks to the external adapter. I'm going to go ahead and put the link into the description. So thank you very much guys for watching my videos. Have a nice day ahead, and maybe even you can use your iPod as the hard drive